How to create a waffle chart in Excel. Create chart from selection. Search for waffle chart. Then select it. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Waffle chart is successfully created. Waffle chart data requirements. You need between 0 and 1 column of categorical data to create a waffle chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 1 column of numerical data to create a waffle chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Important: waffle chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Chart Data Point Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Shape section. You can change cell shape. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Chart Data Point Properties pen to edit the properties. You can reset the properties. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Settings button to change the chart settings. Click on the Chart Layout section. You can show or hide repeat chart per category. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Settings button to change the chart settings. You can reset the properties. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Legend Properties pen to change the color of the box. Click on the Apply button. You can change the color of all boxes. Click on the Save Changes button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export Chart button to export chart in SVG, PDF, PNG, or JPG. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to install ChartExpo add-in. Click on the Add-ins button. Install ChartExpo add-in. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-in is software that adds new features into Microsoft Excel and Office 365. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-in is installed, it should display in My Add-ins box. Click on the ChartExpo add-in to select it. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.